What am I doing with my life? Why do I have to do this? Why do I have to make myself do this?
You're a disappointment.
Yeah, like I haven't heard that before. Alright. But I'm alright, aren't I?
No.
Sweet Jesus. Well, time to poison my body again.
Today we're drinking Earthquake. This is 10% high gravity per use. And this actually looks pretty tight. This is a pretty tight little can we got here. So let's see how it tastes in the mouth. My hand's wet. Bad start. Yeah, it has a weird kind of non-smell. Like, not like the bread. Like, I can't really smell it that much, I mean. Here's to Earthquakes. They're good. I don't think so. With the mustard, I'm gonna be tasting this all day. I'm gonna have to drink this out of a jar. Alcohol damages your insides, but you can't usually feel it in real time.
Work those buns, work those thighs, work those buns, work those thighs, work those buns, work those thighs.
This is a Steel Reserve kind of situation here. This has got me chair bouncing. Help me. Alright, one down. Let's push our way up the Richter scale. Number 2. I'm energized by my fear. Oof. This beer is brought to you by Backwards Vision. Backwards Vision. It's great. This is tough. My stomach, like, feels awful. Beer should have, like, jokes on it, like Laffy Taffy. What kind of beer do ghosts like? IPAs, amber ales, bourbon barrel ones. Those are all stupid. Oh, shit. Yeah, well, you can see why that guy's mad. He got a rock. Mouthfeel, sheet metal? Oh, quaking in your boots? How about you quake in your mouth? It's 7 a.m., but you need it. Wake and quake. Malt liquor? How about San Andreas Fault Liquor? We're doing it! Earthquake much? Bitch? I mean, yeah, I teach English, but I teach something a little better called love. Alright, so Earthquake number 3. Is this the way I usually face? I don't know. I'm drunk most of the time, so I don't know. Why is there beer in there? What did I do? I did the pour and I forgot. You good? Ow. Hiccups. It's your body's earthquake. Here, Tom. He used to kiss me in prison. I meant to say brother-in-law, is what I meant to say. Hey, this is gonna be a battle. This is gonna be a whole battle.
Hey everybody, I was having a little too much fun to intro the drink. This is called a natural disaster. You need an earthquake, some Jack Daniel's fire, and some ice. Now let's check in and see how I'm doing.
Everyone needs limits. Tom, say a little about yourself.
I get weird.
Oh, ew.
Oh. Holy shit.
I'm gonna go to sleep in the fucking fireplace tonight.
It was painful.
I'm gonna cut my head off with a knife. I'm not. I tried to pull down my shirt. I'm not wearing a shirt. Speaks for itself right there, that series of words.